Hello friends, today we're going to see how to import the Meteo data which is taken manually by you. Here first of all, whatever manual data, if you have a detailed manual data, I mean to say hourly manual data for every day, every hour, throughout the year manual data of a particular site, meteo data that is containing solar radiation, okay, and temperature, at least these values, at least. So you can also able to import in the PV by this particular procedure. So first of all, for importing you have to make an Excel sheet separately, and present your data as per a particular with a particular PVC standard format. Now what is the standard format we're going to see here? So here you can able to see there is a location called as Lucknow. It is situated in Uttar Pradesh state of India country. So here we have make a Excel sheet and presented the data in a particular format. Okay, so you can easily able to see site Lucknow, country Uttar Pradesh, data source manual measurement. Data source is not from Meteonom or NASA, okay, which is also a database sources. But here manual measurement means manual measurement that on the site with the help of solar irradiation sensors, temperature sensors. There are lots of instruments by the which you can take the data, note it in a particular notebook, and then you can present it here in this particular format. So like this, time step means that in like your data is in hourly data, means every hour data of every day throughout the year, or it is monthly data. So because it is the hourly data, so we have presented it here. Year is 2018. Okay, whatever is the present year. Latitude and longitude is the site, and altitude is related with the site location of Lucknow, that you can easily able to get from Google. Now time zone is 5:30, 5.3 for India, that is UTC plus 5.3, that is also you can able to get from Google. Means on Google you have to type Lucknow coordinates, from which you can able to get latitude longitude, then Lucknow altitude, or we can say altitude you can write, though you can get the altitude, and time zone for India, okay, for UTC plus 5.3. So you don't have to write UTC, you can easily write the numerical value. Then what are the values that you are going to present? Okay, means the data. So here this is the format: values semicolon GHI means global horizontal irradiation, that is sun radiation total. Then DHI, diffuse horizontal radiation, that is a diffuse part of the total sun radiation, and the ambient temperature. Okay, now the units of these values. Okay, basically the value in the value particular in the value space, whatever things that will going to come is year, month, day, hour, and minute. Okay, and then the GHI, unit of measurement, will going to be presented in watt per meter square, and DHI will be also in watt per meter square, and ambient temperature will be in degrees Celsius. Okay, all these values should be separated by semicolon. So you can easily able to see that when I write site Lucknow, so should be separated by semicolon. So semicolon is a particular format, okay, as required by the PVCist. So everything should be separated by semicolon. We can easily see. Then from the next line you can start the data right from the first day of the first month of the first year. Okay, means year 2018. Then the month is first, the day in first day, and the hour is first hour. Okay, that is 1 a.m. and we can have the minutes. Okay, minutes, we can have 30 minutes. Okay, and then our at this particular time, at a particular time instant, the particular noting of the sun radiations, GHI value is 0, and DHI value is 0, and degree temperature value is 3.5. Okay, degrees. Okay, so this value from where we have got 0, 0, 3.5, from our or all these values, okay, right from the year to this value temperature, you will easily get what you have noted on the site by the help of instruments, okay, sun radiation sensors, temperature sensors, okay. And like this, right from the first day, it will going to be completed for the entire year, okay, everyday data, every day. So it's a very long list, very long list. You can easily able to see like this, okay. So you can able to see that the last date is 2018, 12th month, 31 the last day, and 23.30 hours, right? So it is the last hour, okay. We have, because we have started with the 30th hour, sorry, 30th minute, that means in the morning 12:30 a.m. we have started, okay, and we have ended at the last day of the year, and we have completed till 11:30 p.m. okay. And we have, remember, we have started with, see here, we have started with, see, first day, first month, first day, and the first hour, right, and 30th means 12:30 am, okay. So like this, all the values should be written like in this format only. So kindly know this format, study it, and I will going to also update this format on the portal, so that you can able to download as a study material for you. And as a homework, you can able to you should make your own format for doing practice, okay. One format at least of any site, you can any site what you want, you can just make a format like this, okay, just for practice. For getting the values, don't write the values, because obviously you practical values you are not having. So what I want is, actually you just open a Excel sheet for practice. What I want, to open Excel sheet, and you just make the same rows up to here, and just observe also these values, how they are, you know, written, and they are separated from the semicolons, okay. So what we want is a regular practice you should do of this sheet, okay. You should able to know that how to present the meteor data, if it is noted, you know, practically and properly, okay. It should be a detailed data. So see that here, this is a detailed data. The data contain all the values from the first day of the year till the last day of the year, okay. So this is the complete data, and every hour data should be there. So this is a detailed data, complete data, and it should be clean data, means or whatever values you for sun radiations, temperature should be there, it should be right, accurate, okay. So it depends on your type of measuring instrument, how accurate they are, okay. So use accurate instruments, good quality instruments, and while taking the data on the site, be careful, okay. And then when you have the data, then you make this kind of Excel sheet, okay. So just do a practice, just see the lecture video again, see this lecture video again for a practice, and we're going to see the further things, how to import this data into the PV syst in the next lecture video. Thank you very much.